Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming both sides are fully verified. Finish Coinbase KYC so it recognizes higher risk transactions, and make sure Apple Wallet has a supported debit card set as default. Once done, check that your issuing bank's daily/card transaction limit meets the amount you want to push through. This matters because Apple Pay uses your card issuer's limits. Coinbase will accept Apple Pay only within those constraints. Now move to linking and testing the exact card for real transactions. You link the identical debit card details in both Apple Wallet and your Coinbase payment methods, because mismatches can block Apple Pay authorization. Then make a small test purchase via Apple Pay on Coinbase. A $1 to $5 charge ensures the tokenization and merchant flow work. Once that completes, contact your card issuer to request a higher per transaction or daily limit if you need more capacity. Explain you use Apple Pay for crypto purchases so they know the merchant profile and can lift holds. You finish by attempting the full Apple Pay transaction on Coinbase after the bank confirms the increased limit. Make sure the card remains default in wallet. If authorization still fails, check that 3D secure and tokenization are not being blocked and that Coinbase is allowed by the issuer. If problems persist, call your bank with the specific authorization or transaction ID. That's the fastest way to resolve holds. One key troubleshooting tip: ask the bank to whitelist Coinbase merchant codes while you're on the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.